I'm a short walk away from my land and I wanted to show you guys something. This little tree right here is a wild ice cream bean. Don't know how it got here. It's at the top of this piece of concrete. This road was built here for some reason and I don't know why, because I can't figure out what it leads to. It just comes up. But look at these huge leaves. I took seeds from this one. There's a video over on my unauthorized channel. I took seeds from this and germinated them a few months ago, and I'm going to plant them into my food forest. But I love how huge these coarse, awesome leaves are. They're kind of fuzzy on the bottom. It's a really beautiful, crazy looking tree. This is the plant that has the pods with a nice edible white flesh in there. It tastes rather like ice cream. It's one of Geoff Lawton's favorite nitrogen fixers. And after seeing this one growing up here, I'm very excited about putting them in my food forest. So very soon, that is going to happen. Just wanted to show you this tree while I was up here.